Now, power anxiety is real. You're out on the road, long driving or something. Some of you are like living the van life dream. Then bam, your fridge dies, your laptop won't charge, or worse, no coffee. Now, for years, the go-to fix was like the noisy gas generators, right? But not anymore. Meet the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, paired with their new 800-watt Alternator Charger. Now, this combo is a clean energy beast. And today, I'm going to show you why it might be the best upgrade for your mobile or off-grid setup. Let's go! Now, I want to be honest with you guys. Traditional campground setups are very limited, okay? And those cigarette lighter chargers, they max out at about 100 watts. That means hours of waiting just to get a partial charge. And solar? Totally unreliable when clouds roll in, or you're just parked under the trees. That's why the EcoFlow created the smarter solution, designed by listening to the RV community. The Delta 2 Max is a 2400 gas-free solar generator with a 2000 watt-hour capacity, expandable up to 6000 watt-hour. It powers 99% of your devices, from kettles to CPAPs, if you have that, up to 7 days. Think of it as a quiet, clean, plug-and-play powerhouse without the fumes or noise. Now, this is what you get out of the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. It comes with cables as well to charge it via DC and AC. It comes with 2 ports of USB-A up to 12 watts per port, USB-A fast charge up to 18 watt max, 2 USB-C output with 100 watt max per port. It also has 1 car power output, which is good up to 126 watt max, and 2 DC 5521 output. That's good up to 38 watt max per port. Now, the AC charging has the Extreme Fast Charge 1800 watt, and the solar charging is good for single port only at 500 watts. So if you do it in a dual port, then it's good up to 1000 watts. And of course, you can also expand the battery up to 6000 watt hour. And this is what you get with the 800 watt Alternator Charger. It comes with an installation board and cable puller and a bunch of screws to mount it. It comes with a fuse cable as well. It comes with the XT150 output cable and the input cable to hook it up to your car battery. Now, I also love that it's labeled here with symbols so that you know where to hook it up. Now, this little black box is the 800 watt Alternator Charger, and it's a total game changer in my opinion. It lets you charge the Delta 2 Max while you drive. That's right, drive and charge simultaneously at 800 watt, which is 8 times faster than traditional car outlets. In real terms, a full charge in just 2.6 hours. Amazing, right? So while you're on the highway, your backup battery is getting topped up. You don't need any solar, no noise, and no problems. But wait, this thing is more than a charger. It's also a jump starter and a battery maintainer. Now, it has the charge mode, which keeps your EcoFlow ready on the go. There's also the reverse mode, which lets your EcoFlow quickly juice up your car's dead battery. And maintenance mode keeps your battery healthy with trickle charge. 3 functions, 1 device, saves space, saves hassle, and saves your trip. Now, you might be thinking, something this powerful is maybe hard to install, right? Nope. It's a 5-step DIY friendly setup. Here's how easy it is. Step 1 is connect the fuse cable to the input cable. Step 2 is to connect the other end to your vehicle battery. Step 3 is to attach the black cable to the chassis terminal. And step 4 is to plug into the alternator charger. And step 5 is to connect to your EcoFlow. And that's it. So easy, right? The full installation in under 15 minutes. Now I've measured the input cable as you could see here, and it's about 16 or 15 feet, pretty close to it anyway. And if you're wondering how to mount the alternator to your van, all you need to do is attach these 3 screws on the back of it. And then you basically screw it on the side of your van, or you could just have it hanging around if you have a pocket just like mine. And this is what it looks like once it's done. And basically, as you could see here, it's doing 800 watts on our testing, which is super cool. My car is the Kia Carnival 2024. And it's able to output the maximum wattage to charge the Delta 2 Max. Now, for those of you who has the Carnival, it actually has an AC plug on the back and also a DC charge port. So technically, I can just plug in the Delta 2 Max on the back using the AC, right? Wrong, because the maximum output is only 100 watts. Now, I tried the DC port on the back, but as you could see, it's only maxing at 100 watts to charge it, and it's gonna take a while to fully charge this compared to the alternator. Now let's talk real life. Overlanding, keep your drone, camera gear, and lights charged for days. How about a van life? You can brew coffee, run a fridge, edit videos without draining your starter battery. And what about those times you're in a concert and you want to tailgate, power a blender, speaker, and electric grill? We put this on right there, warm. Let's go all the way to high, and as you could see there, it's doing 1400 watts. Now let's just do some cooking so you guys can see. I put some bacon in here and show you guys that it could actually cook it with this electric grill. We used this as well when we went camping. We used it for a rice cooker, and it helped us a lot during those times. And I love how this system adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Now the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max plus the 800 watt alternator charger isn't just a power station, it's freedom. Whether you're on the road, off-grid, or prepping for the unexpected. Now you're ready to level up your setup? Now check out the link in the description below. I definitely recommend it, and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and ask me on the comments below. If you really like this review, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace!